Do you know many people are having trouble with connecting their Mac Mini to a Pioneer receiver? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power on devices. Ensure both your Mac Mini and Pioneer receiver are powered on. Step 2. Connect HDMI to Mac. Connect an HDMI cable from the HDMI output of your Mac Mini. Step 3. Attach to receiver. Attach the other end of the HDMI cable to an HDMI input on the receiver. Step 4. Select input. Use the receiver's remote to select the corresponding HDMI input. Step 5. Configure Mac output. On your Mac Mini, ensure it outputs video and sound via HDMI. Now you should be able to seamlessly connect your Mac Mini to the Pioneer VSX-LX303 and enjoy your media. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Pioneer users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.